Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of reason and acceptance. Stoics believe that we should focus on what we can control, our own actions and thoughts. Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor of the 2nd century AD, was one of the greatest exponents of Stoicism. He believed that control over the uncontrollable was the key to happiness. In his writings, he advises us not to worry about things we can't change, such as death, illness, and poverty. Marcus Aurelius adopted Stoicism and its distinction between what we control and what we don't control. He recognized that most things, apart from our actions, are beyond our control. Marcus Aurelius' philosophy has a lot to teach us about uncertainty and adversity. When we accept that we can't control everything, we can free ourselves from stress and anxiety. We can then focus on making a difference in the world, according to our own values. Giving up the desire to control the uncontrollable is a challenge, but it is essential for inner peace. When we cling to the desire to control what we can't, we subject ourselves to suffering. Marcus Aurelius understood this. He wrote in his Meditations, "Don't complain about things that are out of your control. That's what fools do."